How's everybody doing today? Welcome to Fixer Joe. Today I'm actually going to do sort of an unboxing. I'm dabble in 3D printing a little bit. Over here I have an Elegoo Mars 2. It's a resin 3D printer and it works decently well, but it's limited in size, and I wanted to upgrade. And I've been looking at different models of 3D printers and doing some research, and I found the SnapMaker actually makes a model, well, a couple models, and I went for the larger one, the A350T, for actually doing 3 different functions. The first one, of course, is 3D printing, what I'm looking for, and that's actually using the filament printing. So that's a whole different type of printing that I'm used to, so I'm going to learn more about that. And then the other functions are, it actually has a laser head on it for doing etchings, and it has a milling function. It's not for metal, but it's for wood. So I'm excited to learn more about that and actually use this tool. So anyways, I'm going to show you what comes in the kit. Do a little unboxing here, and you can learn along the way with me. So first off is 3D filament, 3D printing filament. So this is the PLA, and I actually ordered white. I've been doing gray resin printing for a while, but I like the white just because it's easier to paint. It's a better base for that. So we'll try out this white. Okay. And the next to last thing to put on here is a mat. This is your base for printing. So this is a print sheet. So this is what your print sheet is, and this is what your print is going to sit on. So you can look at that. Let's set that to the side. 50 pounds. Said this is the A350T SnapMaker 2.0. This table's going to be big enough, we'll find out. There is going to be some assembly required. Okay, here's a look inside the box. This says take this out first. There's 2 of them. Start guide directions here. I like this as packing foam. It's useful for different projects. Okay, so we have a bunch of linear actuators here. Let's start with the start guide. So, toolbox. Have these number screws right here. So let's go and get these parts out and get everything staged. This actually came with filament already. I think this is black, so I got black and white. Tools and accessories. So let's go ahead and start with that. Okay, so toolbox here. We got some goggles, CNC goggles, laser goggles, more important than anything. Save those. Take a look at what we have in our toolbox. This I can take out. So these are our diagonal pliers. So these are for cleaning the supports or cutting the supports off of your 3D prints. So I already have a couple sets of those. And these are tweezers. Give you a nice kit here. There's a screwdriver. Okay, so there's a screwdriver. Couple wrenches here, 17 and 15 millimeter. And we have a scraping tool here. Cleaning, getting the prints off. The box, I don't need that. Okay, here's my screws. So those are M4 by 8s. Okay, M4 by 10. And what is this? This is cable tie. Put that to the side. Looks like that's the collet. Okay. M4 by 30. 4x10s again, some silicone plugs. This side, fits here. Okay, these are hex socket head screws for foot pads. Okay. Alright, so let's see, screwdriver. Alright, screwdriver has all the ends in it. That, it's pretty slick. Okay, so that's where we start. Okay, so let's get our base plate out. Way in the bottom. Just gonna fit on this table. Alright, so let's orient the same way as in the picture. Let's get there. Yes. There we go. Okay. So our M4 by 10 and then the feet. Okay, using H2.5. It should go like this. Okay, here we go. Alright, all linear modules must be assembled in their intended position. Now identify the two modules with the laser pattern, LED 20 millimeters. They will be the Y-axis. LED 20. Okay, that's a 20. Okay, LED 20. Make sure the sliders are aligning with each other. If not, you can move them to position. Okay, so you want to make sure these are aligned with each other. And we're aligned good. Attach. Okay, we're using this other guy right here. Set this to the side. So it shows it that direction. And I'm going to put this right here on this sort of truss in the middle. Oh. So your directions. I have this side. Okay, important step. It says make sure the assembly the correct orientation. Okay, so you want to have the nubs of these guys on the corner up. Alright. Now we can put this in the right position here. And we used M4 by 8s. Okay, so actuators on. Attach the Y-axis to the base plate. Okay. There's actually little grooves in here, you can see that. And for this I'm going to use the same M4 by 8 screws. I'm not going to tighten this down until up. Alright, tighten the y-axis sliders. Alright, so we're supposed to tighten these sliders. Okay, so I'm supposed to go down through here, tighten these guys up. So, yeah, these are all tightened. Okay, they're tight. Attaching the Z-axis holders to the base plate. Z-axis holders. That looks like those. Okay, those are the Z-axis holders. Facing this way. So I'm using the M4x8. There you go. Attach the touchscreen holder to the base plate. That's the touchscreen holder. Okay, there you go. There's the touchscreen holder. That's attached. I feel like that's the last time we need to flip this over. Next, identify the two linear modules with the laser pattern 8mm. Thread the connecting cables through the holes of the holders and attach the Z-axes to the Z-axis holders. Do not tighten the screws. Alright. These are going to be M4x8. Okay, one down. Same screws. They go down from underneath. Alright, this will be fun. Move the platform to the position as illustrated. Okay. Move the Z-axis slider to the farthest end. Okay, that stops. Okay. Okay, the last linear module with the laser pattern 20 will be the x-axis. So this is our last linear module. This is the 20mm. And it is showing this going up this direction. It's going this way. So just a little bit more. Okay. Every 4x8s. So I'm not using this last row, I'm using the next to last row on the outsides, and on the inside I'm using the last row. Put your hands at each end of the linear module, then move the x-axis to the top. There it goes. Locate the Y conversion cable and the attached cable on both ends of the two Y axes as illustrated. Yes, so that's the Y conversion cable. Right that way, right this way, there we go. Okay, now we detach that with 4x30. Okay, there we go. Locate the Z conversion cable and the attached cable from both of the two Z axes as illustrated. There's my Z. It comes in here. These two cables here. In the touchscreen box are some additional cables. There they are, hiding underneath. Okay, there's my Y and Z cable. Okay, Y cable goes on my left side. This and the Z cable goes on my right side. You're used to provide a cable tie to organize the cables. Okay. Alright, attach the Z axis. Attach the controller to the Z axis. Okay, that's this guy here. Okay, so this is the controller. Showing all these plugs here. That's going to get attached to fourth one up. Okay, let's turn this so you can see. Okay, the x-axis is the third from the top. The Y is right below that. And then the Z below that. Okay, place the touchscreen and then connect the touchscreen with the controller. Here's my touch screen. Touch screen's gonna go here. Right there. Okay, there we go. Connect the cables for the power module. Okay, so here's our power module. Gets this connector here. Yes. And that goes in like that. Okay. And then that gets connected to the power module over here. And then of course that gets its own power cable, plug into the wall. Okay, you have successfully assembled the machine body. Now select one function to complete the assembly and bring your first job into the world. Alright. We are going to 3D print first. Attach the 3D printing module to the slider on the X-axis. Okay, so they give you the tool heads. So you got 3 tool heads. And if you can see, 3D printing, CNC, and laser. So we're going to do 3D printing first. One of the downsides of this system is that you have to change all the heads. Okay, first you're going to attach that using the 4x8. Connect the 3D printer module to the controller. Okay. Module. Okay, and that goes into the top one. Attach the filament holder to the Z-axis. Okay, here's my brackets in the box with the goggles. Alright, and that is this one here. 4x10. 4x10s. Okay, there's my filament holder. Right. Attach the heated bed to the platform. Alright, here's my heated bed. Look at that guy, that's pretty slick. Right. It sits on there with the warning front. We're going to use, oh heck, 22. That doesn't make sense. This comes off first. And 4x10s. These guys. So they give you a flat head, 4x10. Okay. For attach the platform. It's magnetic, I do like that. Now you can connect it to the controller. And it's showing second from the bottom. Attach the cable holder to the Z-axis and then lock the tool head into place. Here's the cable holder. 2 4x8. It's going on the back side here. And then this goes into there. Okay, here's my SnapMaker A350T. Alright, we're gonna, it's all together here. We're gonna go ahead and go with initial setup. Go.